To begin installation of PMT's Baseline Pedestal system, remove the two front passenger seat bolts. Once the bolts are removed, the seat will need to be manoeuvred to allow for the vehicle pedestal base to slide between the seat mounts and the vehicle floor, ensuring to align the holes, allowing for the seat bolts to then be reinstalled. Tighten the seat bolts down, ensuring to torque as per the vehicle manufacturer's specifications before reinstalling any trim panels which were previously removed. The PMT vertical pedestal can then be assembled to the offset riser. This can be performed on a bench to allow for easier access to the bolts if access inside the vehicle has limited room. Insert the 4 carriage bolts, then assemble using all washers and tighten the nuts securely. This can now be installed into the vehicle, attaching the offset riser to the vehicle base using all 4 screws and washers, again tightening down securely before moving to the next step. PMT's vertical pedestal includes a front and rear nylon strap for an increased rugged installation. After locating suitable fixing points for each of the front and rear hooks, tighten both straps by feeding through the loop and pulling the strap end. This completes the installation of the PMT Baseline Pedestal system, ready for the remaining equipment such as one of PMT's motion mounts and docking stations to be installed for a complete rugged mobile office solution. For more information on PMT's full product portfolio, visit precisionmounts.com.